Guys, we are starting with workout. Let's go with lots of energy. Keep a water bottle near you. Keep your equipments ready if you have any. Keep your mat ready. Okay? Remember to take as many breaks as you want. But people working out from a long time, I would suggest take smaller breaks. Go for a repetitions without any break. Okay? Starting with jogging, our warm up. Come on, start warm up by jogging. Hi, Ketki. Chalo. Go on, jog, jog. Let's go. 30 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. All right. Breathe in. Breathe in through nose. Breathe out through mouth. Remember that. Jogging done. Let's do some speed jogger in one place. Okay? This 20 count. Speed jogger. Ready, Twinkle? Speed jogger. Let's go. Come on, VP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And long breaths. Okay. We're going to do some upper body twists. Ready? Upper body twist. Your feet shoulder width apart. Press your elbows back. Let's go. 30 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And stop. Relax. Breathe in. We're going to go side to side after this. Okay? Side to side. Let's walk. If you feel you can go for the jog instead of walk, you definitely can. Choose your fitness level wise workout. Just say if you feel I can go for jog instead of walk, then go for it. Ready? We're going to do this for 30 count. Keep moving. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep moving. 5, 6. Don't stop. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And take a break. Breathe in. This is going to be our next workout. We are going to do some cross crunches. Bring your thigh up and both arms down. Okay, ready? Each side 15. Since Ketki is new, Ketki, take as many breaks as you want. Go slow, less repetitions, totally fine. Vijaya, VP, and Twinkle, you're going to give your best. Increase the repetitions. First set, you're going to do 15, 15 each side. Let's go, ladies. 15, 15 each side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe and done. All right. Relax. High knees करने वाले हम लोग. Ready? This is going to be your next workout. Guys, keep a hanky nearby. Keep wiping your sweat. Chalo. Let's go. High knees. Challenge for VP, 80 high knees. Vijaya 100, Twinkle 100. Ketki 30 high knees. So what you're going to do is bring your thigh up and try to touch your upper thigh to tummy. You can go slow like this as well. It's not mandatory that you have to go for jogging faster. You can go for slow high knees as well. Keep going, keep going. I've given you a challenge basis what I feel you will be able to manage considering the days you've been working out with me. If you feel the number given to you is too much, you cannot achieve that, it's okay. Give your best, try your best. And if you feel the number given to you is very less, you go for more than the given number. And 10, 9, 8, and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and check. Grab a pillow or a water bottle. If you have a dumbbell, you can take it. If you have a kettlebell, that would also do. Okay? Take your dumbbell or water bottle or a pillow. What are we going to do here? This workout is called dumbbell swings. Yes, get your dumbbells. Good. Let's start. Hold the dumbbell. Now start swinging it. It should go behind. Okay, पैरों में gap. I see gaps नहीं रखा है guys. पैरों में gap रखो. Point your toes out. Hi Pramila, good morning. Good. You need to make sure you stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Okay, check it. You need to point your toes slightly outwards. Hold dumbbell with both the hands, okay? Now every time you swing the dumbbell between your legs, I want you to do a small squat. So squat and bring the dumbbell between your legs. Again, stand up and then swing the dumbbell back up. You need to bring it to the chest height, guys. Don't, Promila, chest height. Don't let it go over your head. Again, then repeat. Squat position. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay. Moving on to the next workout, lateral lunge. Ready? Take a break before you start. Okay. For lateral lunges, what are we exactly doing here is make sure your leg are wide, your feet are wide apart. Okay. Stand with your feet hip width apart with a slight bend in the knee. So you're pushing your hips back. Slightly bent knees. Okay. Look up. Your upper body should be straight up. Very good. You need to make sure you are sitting your hips back. Okay. Bend your knees and sit back. Wherever you move, that side. Done, Twinkle? Guys, whoever is done, show me a thumbs up. Yes, VP is done. I see Pramila working. Ketki? Zala? Zala the thumbs up. Yes. Good. Moving on. हम सबका favorite. Squat. ठीक है? Challenge for you guys is maximum. I want everybody to reach 50 except Ketki. Ketki को discount है. She's a newcomer. So Ketki, today, give your best. Find out how many you can do. These are squats. Start slow. Ready? Yes, I see Vijaya starting. VP, good job. Come on, Pramila. Yes, Twinkle. You need to stand straight with feet hip width apart, guys. Engage your core muscle. Imagine you're sitting on a chair. Sit on your imaginary chair. Good. Stand back up. Every time you're sitting on that imaginary chair, take your hands down. So remember, you're not bending forward, you're just moving your shoulder up and down. Keep looking up, keep looking straight. Good. Take breaks in between, give your best. Squats are my favorite because it burns calories, then helps in weight loss. It also helps you with your posture. Okay. And then it strengthens your lower body, your core muscles. So there are multiple benefits of squats. Okay. I see many people are done. Twinkle, done. Awesome. Breathe. Pramila, done. Okay, it's okay. Ketki, done. Thumbs up. Yes, good. अब स्क्वाट होल्ड करते हैं. लेट्स डू सम स्क्वाट होल्ड. मतलब वही वर्कआउट है, सेम वर्कआउट, but instead of moving up and down in the squat position, we are going to hold this squat. Keep sitting on the imaginary chair. Ready? I'm going to count 30. Give your best. Take a break first. I'll say get set go, then start. No cheating. Okay, look at your feet. Shoulder width apart, pointed outwards. Start now. Push hips back. Get set go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't give up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. Gosh, pain. It helps in developing your body strength, your core control. Okay, so squat hold is a very challenging exercise. If you struggle in this, then you should know that this exercise is not easy and you managed to do it. So, pat on your back. Good job. Okay, moving on to the next workout. Are you guys ready? Let's do some all around the world. Get your pillow or dumbbell or water bottle or kettlebell, whatever you have. Just start sharing. Good. You make sure your wrist and forearm muscles, they have to clench the handle of the thing that you're holding. Okay, this is for making sure that if you have weight in your hand, it should not slip away. It works on your grip strength. When you keep shifting, keep sharing. Okay, it works on your shoulders, your elbows, your wrists. This is a complete upper body workout. It hits your shoulders and arms. So this helps you with a lot of muscles in one go. So we are targeting a lot of muscles in one workout. Chalo, other side shift. Chalo, ulta ulta घुमाओ. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Next is dumbbell chalk. This is our last standing workout. Then we'll go down on the floor. Ready? If you do not have a dumbbell, remember you can use a water bottle. People who knows how to do this, they can start. Okay. Ketki is new, so I'll take her through the steps. Okay. So what are we going to do, Ketki? Make sure you're holding the object tight in your hands first. Okay? You are going to take the object from left top to right bottom. So you need to have your hands stretched out. Good. That's how your hands are going to be. Your body, every time you drag that object down, make sure you're pushing your hips back and sitting in the squat at the same time. As your hands go up, you stand. As your hands go down, you sit in the squat. That is the complete movement. It's okay, VP. Good job. Wipe your sweat. Good job, Vijaya. Well done. Twinkle. ट्विंकल को मैं 100 भी बोलूंगी ना तब भी वो जल्दी करके खत्म कर देती है. Good job. Go on, Twinkle. Very good, Pramila. It's okay. Breathe in. Ketki, around 10 to 15 each side and then take a break, okay? Hmm. It's okay to take breaks, guys. It's okay because this is not something that we do daily. So whenever we do something which our body is not used to, we tend to get tired because those muscles, they are not used to this movement. This is something new for body. So you will get tired, you will have pain. All that is normal. Vijaya, when you bring your hands down, push your hips back, sit in the squat. I saw you bending forward. Don't do that. You'll feel back pain. Show me once, only once. Show me one repetition of that workout. Let me check your form again. Perfect. Bus. Good. All right. That's all, guys. Let's go. Let's go down on the floor. I want you guys to do some bicycle crunches today. Get your mat. Now remember, if you are not comfortable on floor, you can do these workouts on bed. It is totally fine. Your comfort matters the most. Go to the bed. If you feel you're okay doing these on the bed, you can. If you're okay doing it on the mat on the floor, then you can. Everyone is going to keep their phone down so that I can see them. I can guide them. Starting with bicycle crunch. Lie down on your back, everyone. Good job. Yes. I see people working out. I see them starting. So in bicycle crunch, first you lie on your back. You need to lift your shoulders off the mat and raise both legs. One knee you need to bring towards you and the opposite elbow and one knee. So you're going to bring them closer by crunching. Like every time you're bringing your knee and elbow together, you're crunching in the one side. Then fully extend that leg, other side, repeat it. Good job. Make sure you're not pressing your neck. Don't press your neck. This is a very good workout for your core strength. It helps you to target the muscles and fats around your waist. Okay, it improves your stability, your flexibility. It also helps you burn calories and it helps in your cardiovascular health. That is your heart health is also improved. Breathe in. Now I want everyone, I know you guys are tired, but I want everyone to do 10 with my counting. Okay? Let's all try to do 10 with my counting. Ready? Hands behind your head. Come on, let's go. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. All right. Good job. हम करेंगे next workout is alternate leg raises with toe touch. Okay, alternate leg raises with toe touches. Let's start. Both legs on the floor. Start with both legs on the floor. Bring one leg 90 degree. Whichever leg comes up, opposite hand, try to touch the toe, then go back on the floor. Other leg comes up, touch and go back on the floor. Complete this workout like this, one at a time. 90-degree, touch, then back on the floor. Other side, touch, back on the floor. Good job. Very good. Keep it up, guys. Try to do one go 10. In all 30, one go 10. Very good. Five, four, three, two, one, and stop. Okay. On your knees, ladies, make sure you have a mat, or if you do not have a mat, and if you're doing it on the bed, then also it is fine. But if you feel that you generally get a knee pain, okay, I would suggest keep a pillow below your knee. Keep a pillow below your knee. You do not want any kind of pain. Not now, not in future. ठीक है? Ready? Stand on that knee. Stretch one leg out. Now whichever leg is stretched out, bend towards it. Chalo. Ketki, start. Good. Okay, Vijaya, little more bend. Bend a little. Or, yes, good. VP, bend a little more. Yes, perfect. Give your best. Come on. Pramila, show me. Bend. Good. Perfect. Twinkle. Good job. Let me see. Ketki. Huh. Good job. Very good. Keep bending around 10 to 15 each side. Keep working, guys. You guys have been working from past 30 minutes already. It's okay. Long breaths. Other side. Let's go. Other side. People were done with one side. Stretch the other side out. Take the leg out. Stand on that knee. Start bending 15 to 20 times. Let's go. Bend or thoda bend. No कंजूसी. I see people doing कंजूसी. Why are you saving it? क्या करोगे वो मसल का सेव करके अभी फिलहाल? लेट्स वर्कआउट तो वो मसल स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी. बेंड. गुड. It's okay. Long breaths. Breathe in through nose. Breathe out through mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. And get ready for the next workout. This is going to be plank. So we're going to do plank. I want people who are working out with me from a long time, do variations. Give your best. So yesterday, uh, Babita did 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Her secret is she does variations. She distract herself. Okay, so I want you guys to do variations, distract yourself. For Ketki, it is first few days. So Ketki, your job is to make sure that you're getting in the form correctly initial days. Over the period of time, we will try to hold it for a longer. People who feel that they will get the pain in their wrist holding their body like this, then they can go for elbow. The entire weight is divided in the forearm and you can go for the elbow. Make sure your body is parallel to the floor. You're holding your entire body up on your toes and your arms. Okay. Variations I'm showing for guys who generally do this workout. These are shoulder taps. try to challenge yourself to do 20 to 30. Okay, these are hip dips where you are twisting your hip towards the ground. These are variations because you get busy doing this, you forget that you are in the position from a very long time. Then another one, fun one, is dragging the dumbbell. So here the entire strength and entire attention is diverted into dragging that dumbbell towards you. The difficult one, high plank to low plank, high to elbow, high to elbow. And the last one is plank jack. Choose your plank, guys. I've given you options. Choose your plank, see how long you can stay, and set your timers if you want. A count in your mind that will give you an idea that how long you can stay up. Stay, guys. Stay there. Good job. Hold, hold. Very good. For people who are done, do some cobra. Lie down on your tummy. This is a Bhujangasana. Lie down on your tummy. Palm next to your chest. On the floor. Raise your upper body straight. Look up. And okay. Breathe in, relax. Ready for jumping jacks, ladies? Last workout of the day. This, okay, so it means Twinkle is saying no. It seems she wants to do burpees. Twinkle, you want to do burpees? Okay, I'm giving you two options, guys. Either go for burpees or go for jumping jacks. Do as many as you want, no restrictions on 3, 2, 4, 5, 10, as many as you want. So this is half burpee. Ketki, which one you select? Do you want to learn burpee or you want to go for jumping jacks? Now remember, jumping jacks can be done without jumps as well. Okay? Instead of jump, you can go for this movement where taking leg out and in, leg out and in, leg out and in. Every time you take your leg out, hands up, leg in, hands down, out and in. That's how you do a without jumping jacks. So these are slow jacks. And okay, start with jumping jacks today. Go for jumping jacks with slow jacks. I see people working out. Good, good, good. Go on, go on. Few more. Almost there, guys. Ho gaya workout. Done for the day. Breathe in. Long breaths. Breathe in through nose. Breathe out through mouth. I see people who are done. They can relax, stretch, cool down. We joined in. We did warm up. We are now closing the session. So before leaving your workout, you need to do some stretching as a cooling down process. Very good. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. You guys have worked out for 38 minutes straight. Well done. Clap for yourself. Very good. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Each one of you who work out, who look at this video, who works out along with the video, who joins the session. Okay. Keep doing it. It's not like you'll do it for a month or two and then done. once you reach your goal and you leave it. No, some kind of body movement you will always need to have in your life, in your routine. If you find working out is easier, then do it. If you find going out for a walk, do it. If you feel playing badminton or playing with your kids are also a physical movement, you can. Totally up to you. And thank you so much. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead.